Hi, folks. Dave Parrish with Knack Builders. Today's topic, and this might be the shortest video I've done so far. Stop emails sent from your app from ending up in the recipient's spam. It's pretty straightforward to do. I'm going to jump into those details in just a minute. Thanks. Okay, let's do this. Show you how to prevent or at least minimize sending emails that end up in someone's spam. Now, in Knack, there's a few ways you can do emails prompted from a form submission, or you can run tasks that sent them automatically on some periodic basis based on some condition, or you can also use tasks to do a one-off type email. You just run that task once. But now I have several or a lot of apps, and I don't use what I'm going to show you all the time, but if there's a problem, this is what I do. And as a professional builder full-time for several years, it was a while till I even knew this existed. They don't prompt you really to do anything for it, like when you're composing or creating an email. But here's the deal. Let me grab Knack's thing here. Let me get rid of this. They have an article called Domain Whitelisting, and they go into why spam is becoming a bigger deal. It's harder to sort through it. But when you're sending an email from your own domain, you're just writing something in Outlook or whatever, I mean, that's coming from your domain. When Knack does it, and I don't know all the mechanics behind it, they're doing that on behalf of you. And whatever these filtered services that look for spam can detect that. And so that's why it may end up in spam. Now, I'm going to put this link in the description, email domain whitelist request. What you do is just, you're going to confirm who you are. You're going to put in your email address that's associated with the account. Then you're going to put in just the domain. So, like, they give you an example, acmewidgets.com, and you don't need all the HTTP / stuff. When you do that, you're going to submit it, and I'm not doing this for real, but I'm going to show you. Then it returns this. This is the stuff, like CNAME, DSN records. This has to do with how your domain is set up. Now, these values, a new DNS record needs to be created. Now, honestly, I don't have any idea how to do that. Your domain administrator would know how to do that, but you may not have a domain administrator. When I have to do it, most of my stuff that I have is on GoDaddy. I just call GoDaddy. They have great customer service. I tell them what to do, or I may email them this, and they do it. So what this is doing is saying, hey, Knack is sending this on behalf of us when an email is received by someone from whatever Knack system is. And it's saying, hey, from my domain, this is legit. So that will prevent it from going into spam, or at least minimize it. I don't have consistent problems with this, and whenever I have, I've done this. And sometimes if you're a builder, you're going to have your client do this. They're the ones who have access to their domain. And that takes care of it. So that's it. You guys have a great day. Appreciate it. Bye.